What's going on, everybody? It is Dan with Right Now Powder Coating, and in today's episode we're going to show you guys at home how you could take that boring looking Jeep and make it look, one, way cooler, and two, way more off-roady. Is that a word? I don't know. Let's get to it. All right, here we got a brand new 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport Edition, and those wheels just won't do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this baby up on the lift. We're gonna get those wheels off, get them broken down, and into the stripper. Let's get going.
Get back to the office.
You don't tell me. This is kind of sketchy on you. Oh, there's a fuel tank there, so I don't know much about it. It worked. You gotta have some weight on it. Got the Jeep up, we've got the wheels off. We always start driver's front as 1, driver's rear 2, passenger front 3, rear 4, spare 5. We got them laid out in order. And now we're gonna break them down in that exact order. That ensures every tire goes back where it came from and every sensor goes back where it came from. So let's break these bad boys down. With every sensor, we mark it. Then you know which one it goes back on. Alright guys, it is day 2 and we finally got the wheels all stripped out. Now we gotta get them on the cart, get them in the oven. We're gonna outgas them at around 460 for about 2 hours just to make sure we're good to go. All right, just threw those in the oven. Now we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna hit my stop cycle button. We've got it at 461. I'm gonna adjust the timer down to 2 hours. Hit start. And now the oven will automatically turn itself off at 2 hours. We'll pull them out and we'll move on to the next step. You lubing her up?
Move her up a little bit.
Yeah.
Make her a little slippery.
Yeah.
She enjoys the process a little more.
She enjoys the process?
When she's moved up.
But do you? Don't break that sensor.
Didn't even move it.
You're doing this the hard way, bud.
Why is this the easy way?
Well, it's not that it's the easy way, but all you got to do is then back up the head on it. You're going to have to just push it down and then in there, which is hard for me to do with one hand.
One-handed is funny. Oh, scuff in the rim.
Look. And I'm holding a pop in my arm, people. Because she's lubed, she wants to go on.
She wanted to. She thought she did it at first. Seems like probably something you should do.
Oh, it's going in there. We're almost into 2021, where we can drink now.
2021 is just 2020. We started drinking.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking too slippery. I'm thinking once.
You don't even need it though. It's a big fat tire.
Well, I've learned to like it.
Yahtzee!
What are you talking about?
No, I mean, which one of that?
Oh, I have no idea. I'm sure it's her. He just said he was in therapy. Well, he's a chronic liar. He just got stops.
Oh, not bad. No, but... It's kind of depressing news while I'm trying to record a video here. The people don't want to hear about the horses.
But monkey race.
I think Hallmark is leaving a lot of money on the table by not selling. Congrats on the divorce cards.
Right?
It's a big market.
It is. You should start marketing your services for...
Be a Hallmark card writer.
Hey, didn't we get black weights?
That was the gray ones that came in.
Oh.
That were ordered after the black ones.
Yay! Alright guys, as always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I think it came out amazing. The customer was super happy with it. Definitely looks rugged like a Jeep should now. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them below. You may want to stay tuned for a special B-roll segment here shortly. So other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Are some Jeeps roomier than others?
Well, it depends if you're talking about a Wrangler or like a Compass.
Well, I mean, like the seat wouldn't even slide back far enough in my legs.
Right. Quit being a pussy.
Hey, it's not my fault that I was in my legs.
We don't do supermodel legs.
Yeah.
You know that's making the